Hi, I want to show you how to create safe zones in Dying Light developer tools. So you need a few things. First, spawn point, map start, and make sure to respawn. Then for the safe zone, the main thing is the hub zone. So you should have one here. This is the same object. Okay. So there's a hub zone and I name it, and I set this to true. It blocks spawns, zombie spawns, and this is a safe area, and it hides the player weapon, and that is when you want to make it the player invisible for the zombies. And then you make this on false, Q enable. Okay, then we will enable all the safe zone at the same time with where it is. Okay, it's here with the quest enable group that would enable all the safe zone at the same time, and we will just enable in the quest enable group. This is this object, okay, within the quest. So that's all needed object except this one. This is a safe zone, but the only this is the same thing almost as the hub zone. It makes the same thing except that it don't block the zombies. They can't enter, but you have some settings here. It will burn and kill the, maybe only kill the volatiles and zombies when they are inside, but this is not the thing used, so I don't use it. I use a hub zone instead, as I show it. How you need to have the settings like this, and then you have an encounter block area. This is to block encounters with NPCs. So you may go see also this on Q enable as false, and you enable this with the enable group. So I will hide it, and this one also. And you have the AI escape area, and you create this by creating some area. For example, you have in fact already this, but I use it another skin. Okay, I use it another class. I can't remember the first class I use it, but this is an area. So for example, sphere area, and I change this class into escape area, and I resize it. And then this area will burn the volatiles and also make all enemies escape from the safe zone. So you have this one I made, and I disabled it, and then you can change to make this slow down the zombies, or they will wait before to escape, but I set this to normal. And you also enable with the quest enable group all this stuff together. So the main things are this area to burn the volatiles and make them escape, and this is the safe zone. And then for the mini HUD on the map, when you play, you have the markers, grouping marker, map marker, and this is, I name it this one safe zone inactive, because this is in the location type, it will show some icon on the mini HUD, so save destination inactive. So I enable this by default. Then in the quest, when the safe zone is enabled, I disable it. I disable this object because the safe zone is no more inactive. And then this one, this is the same class, but I change it to color of the flag, and the safe zone active. So you set safe destination active here. You can I put the distance when you when the icon will disappear. So by default this is 10 meters, but I set to 5, and the zoom of the icon, and the settings like this. Okay, and now it will be enabled like the others with the quest enable group here, the gears. Okay, and to know where is the safe zone, I've put a barrel and also a trigger to enable this in the quest. So I made a quest, use this switch, and then it will enable the safe zone. So first the player will need to use the switch here, and once you activate the switch, after the use phase, there's the enable phase that will enable the safe zone group, quest enable group, and then disable the inactive safe zone icon. And you have also the UV lights, and you need a lamp DI. Okay, you take a light, and in the dynamic light settings you put the UV light in RGB values, So this is 62, 6 and 100. Okay, like this. And you have the UV color, and then you attach the light with this attached to the lamp, and then in the lamp you can set the escape area, so this will burn the zombies in this area. But I don't know why you need to link this, but you can add your AI escape area here. And you can set the effect. Okay, then we will also enable link this gear to the lamps here with a right click to add. Okay, and this will, and you set also the skin here, light UV on for both of them. So you have the light with the color, then you link it to the lamp, and then you enable the lamp at the same time with a safe zone with this quest enable group. You need to name it to use it in the quest. So the player will enable this trigger, then it's like if the trigger will enable this, and then this will enable the quest group, the safe zone, sorry, and I put some enemies here, a crowd and a volatile. And so you need an objective to see the quest in the HUD, and then use the switch, enable the safe zone. So I think this is good. I will test. I should have made this from scratch, but this is already complicated to make this. So you can see the safe house, the red house on the HUD. So the quest, I need to enable this, and if you see I don't enable, but if I go away from 5 meters I see the icon. Then once I'm in the safe zone I don't see anything else. So I will test. So I'm dead. as you can see. But now I will enable the safe zone. As you can see, here I am in the hub zone, so I have no weapon, and once I go in the AI escape area, I see my weapon again, but the enemies can't see me and attack me, but not long time. And you can also see the icon in the mini HUD. You can see it's the safe zone is active, and before it was inactive before I enable this trigger. So then you can make another quest here for enable the safe zone, to activate the safe zone. So this is to activate, this is to disable the icon on the HUD, and the other icon is enabled through the quest enable group. So you can make another mission, for example take some object, or another quest before the player can unlock the safe zone. And you have you need this object, quest enable group, and the safe zone box, blackout area is to set the lamps. maybe you need to group this with the lamps here. Make a group with this to attach this lamp to the blackout area. Then you can set the intensity of the lamp when the area is active, or when it's inactive you put another blackout area, and you enable with another settings, or you disable this one. I don't know exactly, but you can change the effect of the lamp, and also the intensity of the light attached to the lamp with the blackout area. At the same time, when you enable or disable the safe zone, so you have the hub zone, maybe a blackout area, and encounter blocker to block encounters, and right.